future web designers and entrepreneurs. I'm Tova, and I'm your host for Code Along with Black Girls Code. Welcome to today's Code Along episode, where we're diving into building your very own website with Wix. By the end of this video, you'll have a page you can proudly call your own. Ready to get started? Let's go. Hold on. Before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe. Now let's get into making a website. First things first, let's set up your creative playground. Head over to wix.com and sign up for an account. Already have one? Amazing. Go ahead and log in. Wix may ask you some questions about your site. Answer the questions and be sure to click Set Up Without AI Chat. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is like your secret control room. Everything you need to build your website is here. Now click Design Your Website and pick a template. Select the template that screams you. For this example, I'm going with an accessory store template because, well, hats. But you could choose anything. Remember, your template is just the skeleton. We'll give it some personality soon. Time to tackle the first impression, your header. Think of this as your website's hello. It's important to make a great first impression when you meet someone for the first time, right? Well, your header is the first impression for anyone visiting your website. Click on the header area and a menu will pop up. Add your website name. Let's call mine All That Hats. Choose a font that matches your vibe. Feeling bold? Go for it. Classy and minimal? Absolutely. Now for the hero section. This is the big, beautiful area right at the top of your site. Imagine it as a billboard for your passion. Add a stunning visual by uploading an image that represents your page. For my website, I'm adding a photo of a beautiful Black girl wearing my favorite style of hat, a snapback. Next, type a catchy headline. Mine is Our Hats Are All That. A little cheesy, but definitely catchy. Finally, add a call to action button. Something like Shop Now or Learn More. We want this button to get the users to see more of our site. So I'm going to choose Explore Now. Make it impossible to resist.
Take a second and design your call to action button as you see fit. Done! Look at that!
Okay, time to add some motion to your site. Let's embed a YouTube video. Click Add, Video, YouTube.
Click the Change Video bubble.
Paste the link and voila! Don't forget to resize and center it for that professional touch.
Adding a video to your website helps grab attention, explain your message clearly, and keep visitors engaged, which can lead to more clicks, signups, or in my case, sales.
Now, let's add a blog element to our site. Blogs are great for sharing stories, tips, or updates. Let's add one to our site. Click Add, Blog, Post List, and start creating your first post. Click Manage Posts and create new post. For All That Hats, my post is baseball hats. Are they all that? I'll add my opinion on hats. And there. What will yours be? Oh, and spice it up with some AI-generated art. To make a piece of AI art, click Add Elements, Image, AI Image Creator. Then describe your image. Like photorealistic Black woman wearing a fedora. Finally, click Create Image.
I'm not sure about this one. Let's generate one that's more in line with our header image. I'll change the prompt. Click Use Image and save. Let's click Add to Page.
Now you can drag and resize the image.
Click on Publish and watch your blog go live.
Maybe you want to put it in a new section. If you do, click Add Section. Okay, I'm ready to keep adding more to this website. I've got a collection of hats to show off, so I'm thinking an image gallery would be a great addition. To add a gallery, click Add, Gallery, Pro Gallery.
Select a gallery style and then upload photos of your collection.
If you're selling products, click Add, Store, then Product Gallery to list items, description, and prices. We have done so much work, but before we hit publish, let's check out the mobile preview. You don't want your beautiful site to look like a jumbled mess on a phone.
Click the mobile view icon at the top to see how your site looks on a mobile device.
Wix lets you tweak everything to make it look fabulous on any screen. It's the moment of truth. Click that publish button and bask in the glory of your creation. And there you have it, a stunning website made by you. Well, coders, that's it for this episode. I hope you had a blast coding along with me. See you next time, coders.